Katmir. 333 is Abhishek Devti from Maharashtra. 234 Shivam from Haryana. 343 Onkar from Maharashtra. 524 Sachin Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. 417 Manoj Kami from Sikkim. 339 Karan from Maharashtra. 220 Nishant from Haryana. 542 Sanjay from Uttar Pradesh. 507 Anukaran from Uttar Pradesh. 301 Vishal Pandey from Madhya Pradesh. 560 Arun Kumar from West Bengal. 127 Aftab from Delhi. And 529 Shubham Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, 3000 meters, boys under 20. Yeah. Thank you. .3,000 meters is 7.5 lap of this track. This track is 400 meters. They start from the 200 meters mark. That's the result of 5:41. Javelin throw boys. Nitesh Yadav with 66.63 meters. Back to the 3000 meters. They have a two-layered staggered start for the 3000 meters. Boys under 20. .3,000 meters, boys under 20 taking off. A double layered staggered start. They all converge and move on to the inner lanes after the 100 meters mark. There they go. It's going to be jostling for places, strategic positions up there in front so they don't get boxed. And managing it beautifully is 343. .343 is Onkar Panalkar from Maharashtra. Onkar Panalkar, and there you see all lined up behind him. Yes, it is pertinent that you move right up in front so you can dictate the pace. But there are some with good speed endurance and there are some with good endurance, so they can mark and strategically run this race. 542 moving up in front now. Sanjay 542 from Uttar Pradesh. Dheeraj Singh 538 Uttar Pradesh. With each lap you'll have the lead exchanging hands, everyone trying to judge each other's pace. Here we have 381 India number 2 Kunwar Singh from Punjab in the javelin throw. Good height and trying for that coveted spot for the World Championships. Oh, he had a bad fall. nullifying all his effort. Kunwar Singh Rana, 381 Punjab. Back to the 3000 meters. Now moving up in front is Dheeraj Singh from Uttar Pradesh. He's followed by Ajay from Haryana. As Dheeraj 538 from Uttar Pradesh, Vinod 240 from Haryana, and 245 Ajay from Haryana. 305 is Arun from Madhya Pradesh. So the awesome foursome move out in front, break away from the bunch. 538, 245, 305 and 240. Still anyone's race, but as you see, the four in the lead picking up their pace, opening up stride by stride and trying to consolidate their positions and the lead, holding up till the very end. Three and a half laps, and in 200 meters it's 4 laps up. They have 3.5 to go. Coming up very strongly now is Dheeraj Singh from Uttar Pradesh, closely followed by Ajay from Haryana, and falling back is Arun and Vinod. The rest of them have to work very hard to catch up with the leaders. Dheeraj and Ajay are having a ding-dong battle. Ajay moving up in front now, taking the lead from Dheeraj. Ajay from Haryana, Dheeraj from Uttar Pradesh. Now he opens up and builds up a sizable lead, and that gap is widening and widening, as you see from the aerial view. Ajay getting into the race proper and getting into his act. Ajay from Haryana, 245. He probably found the pace too slow for him and now manages everything on his own, going in for 2 laps to go. 305 Arun Vaskale. Striding away, no opposition to trouble him. That's Ajay from Haryana, lapping up slowly the tail enders. He has half a kilometer to go, 500 meters to go. Coming up on the straight, 100 meters to the bell. That's Ajay running majestically, making a race of his own, trying to pace up and managing things on his own. That's a bell, last lap. 7 minutes 20. Will he get a sub 9? It's on the cards, sub 9 for sure. Here comes the champion, Ajay from Haryana. 2:45. 200 meters to go. Will he beat that coveted mark of 8 minutes 14 that qualifies him for the World Championship? Just missing it. Just over. 60 meters to go. Ajay from Haryana, they're finishing it in sub 8:30. I'm sure if he had to be paced, he'd have done it much better. Vinod coming in second, and that's 3:05. Arun from Maharashtra coming in third. 1:27 and 3:01. Wonderfully planned. That was Ajay, the rightful winner from Haryana. 8 minutes 14 was a qualifying time. Just missing it by over 15 seconds was Ajay, the champion. And I'm sure if someone had to pace him right through, he could have made his mark and booked his berth to Nairobi for the World Championships. But never mind, these brave boys have put in a terrific fight right up till the end. 3,000 meters, boys under 20. After, cut off.